Who would have thought?
There you go.
A swollen impeller. All right, next phase of the Watermaker generator problem. Watermaker died yesterday. We're on our own and we need our Watermaker. Otherwise, we're stuck here in this harbor until we can figure it out. After getting the generator voltage up where it needs to be by replacing the capacitor, we realized there's another problem elsewhere in our water-making systems. Finding that problem and solving it, well, that's the story of today's video. Shine the light.
Sorry, I got stuck.
There's a few bugs out tonight, dang it.
Yeah, they're like buzzing in my ear.
It's a little bright, okay. Well, we might have celebrated a little too prematurely. The afternoon has been a series of trials with water making again. Ultimately, the capacitor seemed to be bad on the generator. Changing that was great. We had the voltage we needed, but then we ran into an overheating problem. So, a new problem. Tonight, we were fortunate. Our buddy Bruce has 2 7-gallon containers of water, so we're putting 14 in, and we've already have about 10 or 20 in our tanks. So we have water for tonight, but he also let us use his generator, a little portable. And so we thought, well, let's run the Watermaker on a different generator and just check it out. And it was tripping the breaker on this generator too. That was the original problem with our generator. So that tells me we have a problem with the Watermaker. It's a Rainman Watermaker, 120 volt, and apparently something is happening to where we can't get the electric motor to start. But it just didn't work. It kept tripping it's a 2,000 watt generator, and it's tripping it. It's only a 11 or 1,200 watt Watermaker. So we're gonna go pour water in our tanks, and we have more troubleshooting to do tomorrow. So this episode will be continued tomorrow. Nancy, how's life? How's life treating you these days?
Well, about the Watermaker, I'm a little intimidated because I haven't had to live out here without it. But you know, we've got friends in places that have water, and so it's okay. We're gonna just go and find water, and it's gonna be great.
Yeah, you can't use the Watermaker on the U.S. East Coast, so we did it for 6 months there. We'll figure out how to do it here as well.
Yeah.
And then it's the weekend, so it's Friday. So we're not going to be able to order parts until Monday or talk to anybody at Rainman until Monday. And hopefully they're responsive on their customer service. That'll be a good test for them to see how responsive they are. All right, so you'll have a good night. Bugs are coming out too. There's no wind tonight, so we have bugs.
I don't know if they can see all of the little... Yeah, you can see it on the screen.
Bugs.
It's ridiculous. They're swarming me.
Ugh, that's new.
Right.
Yep, so after filling the water tanks with the 14 gallons of water, Nancy, Olivia, and I had our buddy Bruce over for dinner, drinks, and a little Stevie Ray Vaughan. Then we were refreshed and ready to solve the Watermaker problem the next day.
All right, so we're out here sipping a beer with my buddy Bruce.
Hi, Mom.
And, you know, I decided to actually look at the FAQ section on the Rainman website. And the first thing I read is, it could be that we're pulling too much juice and tripping the generator because of a swollen impeller. And I'm like, what the heck is that? So the pickling solution that we actually pickle the Watermaker with to keep it sanitary when it sits for periods of time has sodium bisulfates in it, something like that. And that can actually make the rubber in the impeller swell. So a swollen impeller could keep the motor from actually starting up, or pulling too much energy to start tripping the generator. Anyway, I don't know if that's swollen, but it definitely looks a little thicker. The blades look a little thicker than a brand new one here. So,
Well, that wasn't too tough.
yeah, that's swollen. Look how thick those blades are. And they're kind of, it's a broken one anyway. Look at this.
Oh, you have broke? Yeah, you want to get rid of that.
Yeah, so it's no good anyway, but that's swollen. I think those blades are 50% bigger than those blades. I had no clue.
Here.
Let's see the size comparison. It's a good one. Swollen. I got Lana in the background.
You got, oh, I want Lana in the background.
I'm looking right through the impeller at Lana.
At Lana.
It works. I hope it works. I hope it works. I hope it works.
I hope it works.
Focus says, I hope it doesn't.
All right, moment of truth. We're going to turn the generator on.
Sailboat.
We've got the little bitty Yamaha generator running since ours is, you know, we're still doing work on it. So if it turns over, then we know the impeller was the problem. So here we go. You ready, Nance?
Ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Give us a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
It works! Woo! The impeller was the problem.
She didn't overload.
Who would have thought
There you go.
a swollen impeller can stop an electrical motor and kill a circuit on a 30 amp generator? And on the Yamaha generator, 2,000 watts, my generator is 3.5 kilowatts. A swollen impeller, this was the culprit, we think. Now it's time to put the new impeller in, and then we'll try that. We might have water! Woo! We might have water.
Well,
Yeah. I got myself some bread.
I met
It's
some good.
okay.
I met some good.
I didn't pull it up the other day. Fingers crossed, people. There you go.
didn't overload.
It's running. The Watermaker is running.
Look at there.
Hey, it didn't overload.
And now we're making water. Back to freedom. Right here. Yes, it's good. We're back in business. Let's go wherever the wind blows.
Yes, 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 yes.
Push strong. All right, you ready?